वचून जाग्यार बस
The high
नसत
level
जाल्यार म्हाका भायर काडपाची पाळी
commission should be
येतली.
given the mandate to investigate the conspiracy angle
शांतपणे
as well
उठून
as
जाग्यार बस
conduct a scientific study
जाग्यार वचून बस
to find the
Yes.
cause of the
जाग्यार वचून बस.
devastating fires
Yes.
in Madai Wildlife
Yes.
Sanctuary, eco-sensitive zone, hills and forest areas.
where you want to have a high court judge to investigate into why it happened, because we already put a preliminary inquiry report. On that report, if you have any specific instance or you want to ask us anything specific, I'll be happy to answer any query related to that. But
experts जाय म्हणटकीर कितें जातलें? You will get the expertise of professionals. You won't have people saying, oh, you lost only 2 cobras or 2 snakes. You will have experts, speaker sir.
विनंती एक माझी
Complete कर
एकूच
भाई.
विनंती लीडर ऑपोजिशनाका हांव मिटींग आपयता तुम्ही 3 जाण या त्याच बरोबर आम्ही खंयचे एक्सपर्ट
meeting
ना हांव उलयता हांव कितें म्हणटा की तुमकां एक्सपर्ट कोणाक घालूंक जाय कित्याक आमी पयर चीफ मिनिस्टरान आतांच सांगलें की चर्चा आमची जाल्ली वील टेक युअर पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू ऑन बोर्ड वी विल कॉल अ मीटिंग इमिजिएटली ड्युरिंग द वेन द हाऊस इज इन सेशन इटसेल्फ अँड वील मूव फॉरवर्ड माय अपील टू यू इज टू विड्रॉ द रेजोल्यूशन. Every action was taken against everybody at that point of time who was getting involved in this type of thing. Maybe it is for his cashew plantation or whatever it is, but the department...
Can you give a guarantee this won't happen next year? With
I
what
can
steps you are
only
doing?
give a guarantee on the floor of the House. We'll be much more in a better position than this year.
No, Speaker, sir, how will we don't want that type of expert. We want a proper
We
expert.
will put expert. We will take...
Yes, opposition leader.